Hello guys, you are welcome again to Accounts IT Marg basic tutorial, and today we are going to take a very short study on group creation. We are going to study group creation in this episode. So kindly open your Marg software and let's see how it is done. Make sure you subscribe, you comment and share our video as well. Okay, so we are in our dashboard and we want to create item group, and to do that you go to masters, inventory master, then we have group master. Okay, I take that again. You can press escape to go back. Master, inventory master, group master. Okay, if you want to go back, you use escape key. Okay, fine. So inventory master, group master. Then you see we have some hints. There's a white pop-up that says that we should use F2 to create name, F3 to modify, and then delete key to delete. So we are going to use F2 from here. So just press F2 key. The new group, just put the name of the group. Okay, so I'm going to put drinks. Let's say drinks. Okay, it's done. You can still enter new one. When done, you press escape key. So I'm going to press escape, and then my group is created. Are you getting it? So go to masters, inventory master, group master, then F2. Let's say biscuits. Okay, so these are my groups. Okay, now if you want to modify the group, you highlight it, then you press F3. So F3 key, I want to change it. I want to remove the S like this, then save. So that is it. Okay, that's how to modify it. If you want to delete it, you highlight it like this, then you press delete key. So delete, then you select yes from here. It deleted. Okay, so thank you for this short tutorial. We are done, and make sure you click on the bell icon to receive notification on the next episode. Thank you so much for your time.